no stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, make a phone, make a phone, 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 make a call, make a keep a deep phone, 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 your body, kakara, make a phone, 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 on a magazine.
Hey Rebels, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair tutorial for you guys. Today's video is in collaboration with Unice Hair Company. So let's start off with a little unboxing, shall we? This is the box my wig came in when I received it. Along with my wig, it came with some goodies, a nude stocking cap, some false eyelashes, some really cute press-on nails. Y'all know I love a good press-on. An edge band, a little compact makeup brush, and it also came with some notepads. So this is how my wig looked after bleaching the knots and letting it air dry for 2 days. As you can see, it's looking kind of crazy right now, but I'm going to show you guys how I got it together. This is their 13x4 kinky straight texture frontal wig in 24 inches. They added this removable adjustable band in the back, and it also comes with combs around the perimeter of the inside of the wig, so that's a plus. I went ahead and put my wig on a mannequin head so you guys could get a better look at it. This wig is so full, y'all. It's only 150% density, but it's definitely given 200. So y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and clip my hair up, comb it out, and press the hair out, flat iron it as straight as I can. It is a kinky straight texture, so it's not gonna get like bone straight, but I'm definitely gonna try to get it as straight as I can.
Baby, I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
With you tonight is on a planet. It's about time for making up. Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you.
Once I straightened the entire wig, this is what it's looking like, y'all. I feel like it got a lot straighter than I expected, and the texture is still really soft, but still full. I like it. Also, it did shed quite a bit, but it wasn't like unbearable, you know? So now that that's done, let's get into the install. Again, this is what the hair looks like. It is moving, okay? I went ahead and adjusted the adjustable strap in the back before putting my wig on. And I did wash my hair and I did my braids over, y'all. So no more crusty braids underneath of my wigs. I'm actually not wearing a cap under my wig either with this one. I don't know, y'all. I'm starting not to really like using the bald cap method. Let me know if it's just me. So y'all, I'm going to start off by just cutting off some of that excess lace in the front of my wig. Not like cutting it all the way off, but just back enough so that I can see what I'm doing. I'm starting off with just plucking out some of the hairs from the hairline, making sure to pluck out enough so that it looks a little bit more natural. The wig was pre-plucked when I received it, so I don't have to do too much, but I am gonna just make it a lot less dense than what it is now. And guys, I do have the video sped up, so I was not plucking this fast actually. But I just sped it up because if I didn't, the video would be like way too long. But yeah, just going ahead and plucking out some of those hairs until I feel like the hairline is thin enough for my liking. Guys, I actually plucked out quite a bit of hair. As you can see, the hairline is looking a lot better now. This is how much hair I actually plucked out. So guys, don't be afraid to pluck their hairline. We don't want it to be bald, but we definitely don't want it to be like thick. So measuring the frontal to my head, making sure that it's in place before just cutting off the ear tabs of the wig to make sure that it fits around my ears perfectly. I'm going to be using my Gots to Be Glued spray to secure my wig today. And what I like to do is just go around the edge of my hairline and spray it. And then take my comb and press the product in and comb the hairs in that area backward. So I'm going to go ahead and do this all around the entire front of the wig.
Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, her man's a Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. Like the narco, got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north, got Diego. Say hasta luego.
We've done that and the wig is pretty secure. We're just going to go ahead and add our elastic band to melt that lace in. And y'all, make sure you are tying your edge band tight. Like, cut your circulation if you have to. Nah, I'm joking. But yeah, make sure it's tight so that, you know, that lace can really melt in the way we want it to. Y'all, I'm not sure how I want to style the wig. I was thinking about like a middle part. Then I was thinking a side part. But I don't know. We're going to wait and let this dry and come back in 10 minutes later. So I'm taking that band off to see how it's cooking. And baby, that lace looks so good. I'm going to go ahead with my scissors and cut the rest of that extra lace off now, making sure to try to get as close to where the hair starts as I can. And as I'm cutting, you'll see that the lace is kind of lifting up a little bit, but don't worry, we are going to go back with some glue afterwards and just secure it down.
Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django lover. Feelings today swing like Timberlake at you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timberlake at you.
I'm going to be using my Bold Hold lace glue on those stubborn areas of the lace that just did not stick.
Maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo, to the love of my life. My eye, don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow.
And then I'm gonna go back in with my Gots to Be Glued spray and just spray those areas one more time for an extra hold. So I'm putting my edge band back on so that the product that we just applied, like, you know, goes ahead and seals in. And while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm just going to go ahead and press my hair one more time and try to get it a little bit straighter. As you can see, the roots are still a little puffy, a little kinky. So I'm going to try to straighten that out as much as I can. This wig is giving natural blowout. Like, I had my hair pressed straight, you know, blow dried out. Like, this is what it's given. I know that this kinky straight texture is supposed to mimic, you know, our natural hair texture a little bit better. And I like it. I actually like it a little bit more than the bone straight look. Guys, as you can see here, I'm just taking out some of the edges to use them for baby hairs. This will also help camouflage the lace a little bit better. So making sure not to take out too much hair, because I definitely want this, like the baby hairs on this wig, to look, you know, not so thick, a little bit more natural. So I'm just taking out 4 little pieces of hair, clipping my hair back, and I'm going to go ahead and curl those pieces. After I'm done curling it, I'm going to take my scissors and cut them kind of short, you know, to mimic like the natural baby hair look. To lay my baby hairs down, I'm going to be using the Gots to Be gel in the black bottle and a little edge brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and swoop them the way I like them to be. I did have these a little bit long. I definitely, like looking back at the video, I definitely should have cut them a little bit shorter than this. But at the end, they still came out pretty good and looked pretty good. So I'm satisfied with it. While I was doing the baby hairs, y'all, I decided that I want to try a half up, half down hairstyle with this. Y'all, please don't mind the lace in the back. I really should have cut it off before doing this. But yeah, I'm taking a hard brush and I'm just brushing the hair up, and then I'm going to use a regular rubber band and just secure it with that. I am going to take my Gots to Be glue spray and just spray the hair to give it a more sleek look, and make sure that the hairs do not move out of place. There's no flyaways. And yeah, just taking my rubber band and, you know, securing it with that. I did do the ponytail over like 2 times in order to get it in the right place that I wanted it to be in. But this is pretty much what that look looks like. I really love this half up, half down hairstyle. It's really cute. Hair out of the face, but still, you know, giving a cute look. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see what the back of the hair looks like. The wig is very, very versatile. I will say that. And the texture of the hair, like I keep saying, like the texture of the hair looks like our natural hair texture. Like a black woman with long hair just got her hair pressed out straight. So I'm loving it. But y'all know I am a side part gal, so we are going to be styling this hair another way. I'm taking the ponytail out now, and I'm going to go ahead and comb the hair to my right side. And honestly, I don't even have to put a part in there if I don't want to. This whole like comb over look that is given right now is really, really, really cute. You could wear it like this, but I'm actually going to part the hair because I just want it to look more natural. And I think that the part look does give off like a more natural look. Like you can see her scalp. So I'm going to go ahead and part it where I want it to be. Making sure that the lace is showing where I'm parting it. This is a 13x4 frontal, so I can part it in the middle if I want to, or the side. Going ahead and making sure that the hair around that part area is nice and flat before taking my hot comb and just pressing it even flatter. So guys, I decided to switch it to a side part. The half up, half down was cute, but you know, your girl is obsessed with the side part look. So this is what we're going with. I'm glad that I got to show you guys how versatile the wig was though. I was able to wear it up. I can wear it on the side. I can part it in the middle if I want to. It's very, very versatile. I literally love this wig. I love how straight the hair got, even though it's a kinky straight texture. And it obviously, like up close, you can still see that the hair is like kinky, but it got really, really straight. It got straighter than I expected it to. So I'm really excited about that. Y'all, I will be taking lots of pictures. So if you're not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? No, I'm joking. But if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go ahead and follow my Instagram at beautyrebellion_. It's the same as my YouTube as well as TikTok. I am trying to get a little bit more active on TikTok, y'all. I feel old when I'm on TikTok because I can't get with it, but I'm trying. Again, shout out to Unice Hair Company for sponsoring this video and sending me this really pretty kinky straight wig. All the details to this wig as well as their wig store will be down below in my description box. So make sure you check that out. Leave me some feedback down below. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. And while you're at it, go ahead and click on that subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I post new uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys. Smooches.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see why your heart I see. Make a phone, make a phone, 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 make a phone, make a key for the phone, phone, phone. Your body, kakara, make a phone, phone, phone on a magnetic.